Hey everyone, it's Vicky IRL in my real life. Welcome in. This weekend I went to the drone show, the last one of the season, and I wanted to show you guys the entire thing, but I can't play it at normal speed because it'll get flagged for audio copyright. But it's hard to separate the audio from it because it's kind of timed to it, so I thought I just sped it up. So that's why it actually looks cooler this way. You get to see it in much faster time. And I hopefully held the camera steady enough. So it was called Again 1988, which is when they hosted the Olympics in Seoul. So the whole thing is Olympic themed. And this first one is the boy with the hoop, which is really a famous video. You guys can look it up on YouTube. So the rest of it's going to be about the Olympics. So I hope you enjoy. Wasn't that cool? I can't even, it just doesn't show up on my camera lens, even though I have a really good Apple iPhone for night vision. The colors are so bright and it's so 3D. It just looks like it's coming right at you. Obviously, that's what 3D does, but it just looks flatter on video. And if you guys ever get a chance to see a drone show like this, I 1000% recommend it. It's just amazing and it's just beautiful. I had the best time going. I went to actually 2 of them here. I'm going to do another one in Busan. So it's just, the technology is amazing, but the beauty is just amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little slice. And if you want to see the other video, let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe. Thanks. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.